What's up, guys? Big Mark here. Welcome back to my channel. It's great to see you guys here today. All right, so on this video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $9 every time you test games on your phone. Okay, and this also pays out via PayPal. So it's really not technically working, really. You're just playing around with different games on your phone. So this is totally cool. I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. Now, before I get into it, remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I come out with videos every single day that will show you how you can make money online, how to work from home, how to become an entrepreneur, YouTube tips on how to get more views and subscribers. It's all here. Subscribe now, and I'm gonna let you know whenever I come out with a new video. And if you guys would like to learn how to make a full-time, passive income right online, this is what I'm doing. If you want to make money while you sleep and while you're out on vacation and traveling, well, check out the link below in the description of this video right now, and I will share with you exactly how you can do that. All right, so let's go ahead and jump over to the video. The website you guys are going to want to go to is Playtest Cloud, and that's over at paytestcloud.com. This service and this platform here is going to pay you to test and give feedback on video games, okay? So you as the game tester will give your input on what you like about the game and what you don't like, okay? And this way the developer of the game can improve on the final product. So you get to test out stuff before it's even released out in the public, before it's even sold, and that's really cool. So as a tester, you're going to receive an email, okay, when something is available. This can be like maybe like a couple times a week. The email will tell you how long the test will take and the payment amount that you're going to receive for the test. And the average test is around like 15 minutes, and they're going to pay you $9 or more. There are people that are making like up to $11 just for testing games. Different tests will have different time frames and payment options. You'll see all this inside of the little invitation emails that you receive. But looking over on Reddit, this guy right here earned $5,000, 5,000 bucks in the last 6 months, some extra beer money, and a portion of that money is coming from the Playtest Cloud platform, which he earned $150. He just says that this is just a simple game testing system. It is super fun to use. It's very quick, and you get to test new games before anyone else. So he earned $150 doing that, part of his $5,000 a month income. But so after you are done testing, now what you're going to do is you're going to take a short survey. And you're going to answer some questions about your playing experience. And all you do is you just give your honest feedback, and this feedback will help the game developers produce higher quality games. Okay, now how will you guys get paid? Well, Paytest Cloud pays via PayPal 3 times per week, and you should receive a payment about 3 days after you complete your test. Now, before you get started, you guys are going to need a smartphone or tablet, a Mac or a PC. You're going to have a pair of headphones, of course, and a PayPal account. Let's just go over here and check out kind of like a little demo here when you go through the testing process.
From this point on, you control the entire player experience, and people will think out loud and tell you what they think about your game. If your test setup requires it, we can also show people step-by-step instructions at this point to guide them to specific areas of your game or to have them focus on certain areas for this test. Normally, they will just play from the beginning and give their feedback on everything as they encounter it. The touch indicators you see in this video are only visible in this tester experience video. The players themselves don't see them, but in the video results you get from us, you will know where people touched. Check out the demo video on the right if you want to see what that looks like.
So some pros about this, there's no gaming experience required. It's free to join. They pay you $9 for like 15 minutes playing around on a game on your phone. They pay via PayPal. Now, some of the cons is that this is only available for people that are in the United States, the United Kingdom, and also Canada. All right. So those are the only, if you're in those countries, then you guys can use this platform. You can only get about 2 tests per week, which is, it's okay, it could be better. It's not really a job replacement. It's only a small income for you, okay? Now to get started, what you're gonna do is just go over to playtestcloud.com. Right up here on the top right, just click right here where it says become a tester. That'll take you over to this page right here. You can just simply enter your email address, your full name, what type of games that you guys like to play, and the type of device that you have, what country do you live in. Now at this time, they may change that in the future. This might be available for other countries as well. So I would just go ahead and go over to the website and sign up and see what happens. Okay, so wherever you are in the world, just go over to the website because they have a huge list here of a whole bunch of almost like every single country out there. So you never know, they may have changed the rules. But so just go over there and sign up and you choose your gender, what birthday, agree to the terms and service, and you guys are on your way, okay? So really cool stuff here. I hope this helps you out for a little bit of extra cash on the side. Now, if you guys want to do a little bit more, maybe you want to have an extra $100 or $200 a day coming in, okay? You want to earn a full-time passive income right online. Maybe you don't want to always be on the computer all the time. You want to make money while you're out traveling. Well, check out the link below in the description of this video right now. And I'm going to share with you, go ahead and check out that link right now. You guys are going to love this. I'm going to share with you my #1 most recommended opportunity online. And I think you guys are going to love it. So go check that out. I'll send you over that information right away. If you guys got some value on this video, hey, give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. And if you guys want more videos about making money online, working from home, how to become an entrepreneur, how to optimize your YouTube channel for more views and more subscribers, it's all right here. Subscribe to my channel right now, and I will send you an update whenever I come out with a new video. You guys make it an awesome day, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.